I'm Vinod. I welcome you all in this very important video. In this video, we will cover few of the important steps, that is registration on We Are All Satoshi. Then how to set the transaction password, how to add the MetaMask address, how to deposit funds, how to go for the subscription of COD20 miners, and finally how to buy the Boomerang licenses. So we will go step by step. First of all, to start with, the link which you have got your friend or the person who has invited you, click on that link to open the registration page. For this video, I'll create a new account. I'll create a demo account. Here require the basic details like first name, last name, username, which has to be unique, the email ID and the password. For video purpose, I'm creating a simple password. Later I will of course change this password. The country you are residing, your mobile number, gender. These are the basic details that would be required to fill up. The sponsor ID that will come by default, or you can take it from the person who has referred you, and the position would come default in the link. If it is not, then you can confirm with your friend which position to be chosen, left or right. Then finally accept the terms and conditions. The confirmation will come in the email that you provided. You need to confirm into the mail. I'm doing it on my another mobile device. Okay, I have done it. Now we'll go for the login page. The account which you have created now, demo account. I'll put the password. Okay, now we are ready with the account. What are the steps to be done? First of all, set the transaction password. It is required at various stages, like for withdrawal, for taking the subscription, and for many such things the transaction password would be required. How to go for it? You will find your username on the right side top corner. Click on that. You will find 4 options. Amongst that, go to the third option of security. First of all, enter your transaction password. I had copied it and pasted it. So go to the next. You can do it manually also. Enter your password. Now the OTP will come in the email that we have to enter. Now you can set your transaction password. The preferable combination would be alphanumeric with a special character. That would be the best combination available for password. Again, a OTP would be required. I am using my another device. Okay, we have set the transaction password also now. Now what is the next step? Now we will add the MetaMask address on. Now we will add the MetaMask address on the dashboard. This MetaMask address would be the address where you want to use your NFTs, that is COD20 miners. So for this, go to the MetaMask, copy the address. MetaMask take few seconds for opening. Okay, so we will add this address. This is the address where you want to mine your NFTs. This is also done. Now we will go to a very important steps of how to add the funds. Click on those three sandwich bars. Go to the fourth option of assets. Here there are two payment options available, two deposit options available. One is TRC20 USDT and another is BTC20 USDT, that is our own blockchain. So for every account there is individual wallet would be created for each account. Now click on the plus, so your TRC20 wallet is created. Click on plus and BTC20 network, this BTC20 network wallet is created. Friends, one very important thing to remember, I repeat, one very important thing to remember, that the minimum deposit has to be minimum $10 or above. So whenever you are depositing, ensure that your balance that would come, like for example if you are transferring from some centralized exchange, so they would charge some fees. So after deducting the fees, here the balance should come more than $10, then only it will reflect, otherwise it won't reflect in your final balance. So ensure whenever you are depositing the funds, it should be minimum $10 and above. One more thing, you can deposit a combination of these two also. Suppose you want to buy a license of $500. So you have balance of let us say $200 of TRC20 USDT and 300 of BTC20. So you can deposit both and ultimately the balance would reflect in deposit wallet. So a combination can also be used. So but remember the important thing, deposit minimum $10. Now that we have deposited the funds, let us go and buy the subscription of COD20 miners that is used for the mining of BTCC. Suppose I am going for the subscription of 100x Xeon GT1X miner. Okay, there are three variants: Xeon GT1X, which is of $50, Xeon GT10X, which is of $100, and Xeon GT100X, which is of $5,000. Now suppose I am going for the subscription of $5,000. So there are three payment options. One is income wallet. This is the income which you have generated from affiliate income, like check match bonus and direct referral bonuses. So this will be applicable to the old account who have already started making the teams. Then second is deposit wallet, where we have deposited the funds through TRC20 or BTC20 network. And lastly, if you have bought some GameStop meme coins, so that balance would also reflect here. Suppose I'm choosing the deposit wallet option. Now I have to enter the transaction password here and accept the terms and condition. Go to the next. You will get a OTP in your email. Just enter it and the process is completed. Now we will go for the purchase of Boomerang licenses. Okay. Here I am clicking on the Boomerang licenses. There are 5 variants in Boomerang licenses. License 1 $500, license 2 $1,000, license 3 $3,000, license 4 $5,000, and license 5 is of $10,000. Suppose I am going for the purchase of license 5, that is of $10,000. Here I can choose the payment option. Again, there are two options here. One is income wallet and second is deposit wallet. Important thing to note here in this box, there might sometimes some your username or some other matter, some other text may appear. So you delete it and enter the MetaMask address which you want to use for Boomerang dApp trading. I repeat, here you enter the address of MetaMask which account you want to use for trading of Boomerang dApp. So I'll once again open the MetaMask, copy the address, put it here. Now enter your transaction password, accept the terms and conditions, go to the next. You will get a OTP and your license is bought. So friends, in today's video we have covered very important functions like registration on We Are All Satoshi portal, how to set the transaction password, how to add the MetaMask address on the dashboard, how to deposit the funds. Here I'll repeat again, minimum deposit $10, otherwise your assets won't reflect into the account. Finally, the subscription of COD20 miners and buying of Boomerang licenses. So friends, I'm sure you will find this video very helpful for entire process. Don't hesitate and do share this video with all your network who want to go through this process. So this will reduce your headache also of guiding each and every step again and again. So with this, I wish you best of luck and thank you very much. Once again, greetings from Vinod. Good day to you friends. Thank you very much.